Hello everyone. Today topic, why is celebrated Republic Day? We celebrate Republic Day on 26th January every year. But why? India is a republic country and we have got this title after the enforcement of our constitution. It was 26 January 1950 when our constitution was implemented. Since that day, every year we celebrate this day with a sense of patriotism. A grand program is organized at Delhi Rajpath where the national anthem and various cultural programs are performed by the hoisting of the flag. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to complete our constitution. We got independence in 1947, but in a true sense, it was 1950 when we got freedom in terms of fundamental rights. The chief guest of this function is the President of India, who arrived escorted by the presidential bodyguard, a cavalry unit. In this parade, the main program is tableau. The tableau is conducted by the Ministry of Defense, which involves a number of guidelines. Tableaux from various states signifying their cultures and displayed. If the tableau includes a traditional dance, it should be a folk dance with traditional and authentic clothes of musical instruments. In this parade, 18 to 24 different regiments of Indian Army, in addition to the Navy and Air Force, nearly 55 regiments with their bands march past in all their finery and official decorations. The parade traditionally ends with daredevil motorcycle riding display by motorcycle unit of the armed forces and civil security services. Jai Hind. Thank you for watching.